Hello, this is Brendan Line with EJ Prescott. Today's mini tutorial will be reprogramming an MBOT or AI logger. So what you're going to need for this is your programming jig, your logger, and your Android device, which you have your Zonescan install app downloaded onto. So go ahead and attach your jig. One end goes to the device, the Android device. The other end goes to the logger. Go ahead and make sure you thread that on there. And once that's completed, go to your Android device, find your Zonescan install app, go ahead and open that up. And the very first thing we're going to do is tap our three little lines on the top left, go to project management. You will need your Wi-Fi connection for this. Go to project management and reload your project, and then find your project name listed in the list and tap download to the right. Then you should see a message on the bottom, import successful. Go ahead and find your project name and just click anywhere inside that box to open up your gateway settings. Tap retain local settings. And there are two things we must be sure of being correct inside our gateway settings. One is your APN and the other is your band. APN should be Guterman.water.iot. So that's Gutermann.water.iot. Once that's correct, tap OK. In your bands, go ahead and tap on that and just make sure only band 4 is selected. So make sure that box is checked and go ahead and select OK. Now on the top right, we can go ahead and tap next. Go ahead and select yes. And that brings us to our main screen. So now we're going to go into our menu bar again on the top left, go to area and find the area that we would like to program this logger into. So when you're there, back into the menu bar, and now we're going to go to logger setup. Tap OK. Tap OK one more time. And now when you get to the device deployed, since this device is being redeployed back to its original location, we're not going to move it somewhere else in the system. We're just reprogramming the device and deploying it back where it was before. So because of that, we just need to cancel this particular setting here. If we were going to redeploy it somewhere else, then you would have to select continue and redeploy your logger on the map. But since we're keeping it where it is, we're just going to go ahead and tap cancel. So the last and final step would be to go on the top right, your three little dots, tap on that. You're going to go to project, and then you're going to tap upload. Wait till you see Gutermann Cloud upload successful, and that is the final step then to reprogramming a logger. So go ahead and continue the same process if you have additional loggers by simply just going right to the menu bar and straight to logger setup and rework your way through those settings for each individual logger. And then that will complete the process.